Check that out. I like how you skip that one, making it feel lonely. Yeah, that's one I did. So that's why it looks cool.
It's true, it does. Ha 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 ha. Okay, the sun is... This is the, I put a T on this one. T for Tracy.
How are you gonna know?
Ooh, cool.
How are you gonna know which ones is your friends?
Because it actually has a T.
Oh, you're not gonna like...
I can swirl that one.
No, you're not gonna like put frosting on it or anything?
I was thinking I might let people do their own frosting so that they can see the colors. Better appreciate the colors.
Oh, goodness gracious.
I know. Okay.